Now it's time for second episode of the Big Brain, and this time Wrestle Gaming ENT has created a quiz for me and I've created a quiz for him. So I have to win this, otherwise he will be the winner, and I don't want that to happen. So without any further ado, let's do it.
Please me, big brain makes it look like a normal game. I don't wanna quit, I wanna bomb it.
So here's the tier 2 quiz made by H from Wrestle Gaming ENT. So let's start this quiz. 15 questions. Okay, so who won Diva of the Decade? Trish Stratus, I guess. She was the top diva from 2000 to 10. Highest paid WWE superstar of all time. It has to be Brock Lesnar, no one else. Which WWE wrestler killed the wrestler in the ring? It's Rey Mysterio, I saw it. He drop kicked the wrestler. The wrestler's neck cracked as he bounced off the rope, so that was a deadly disaster. What is most viewed top 10 video of the I do these researches, and it's Stunning Indian Proposals. The dudes are very, highest rated WWE tag team match of all time. Edge and Christian vs Dudley vs Hardys, DIY vs Revival, Jericho and Ben vs Hardys vs Dudleys vs Edge and Christian, Mustache Mountain vs Undisputed Era. I think it should be DIY vs Revival because I saw their match, it was great. Mustache Mountain with Undisputed Era. Okay, I will do this later. On which day did Jeff Hardy win the WWE title? I'm going with December 12 because it's a special date for me. I don't know the exact date, so this one is a random guess. Which of these wrestler wrestles under his real name? It's Mark Henry. At which PPV did Owen Hart die? Over DS 1999. Rest in peace, Owen Hart. First ever Undertaker singles match. In WWE or outside WWE? I think he debuted in December, so I will go with December 15, 1990. Okay, next up, which name did Matt Hardy use before joining WWE? Suicide? No, he went TNA afterward. High Voltage, that sounds like a pay-per-view. I will go with Lucifer. That's a better name. First ever WCW champion was Ric Flair. First ever WWE pay-per-view. Okay, it was not WrestleMania 1. It was a basically it was a type of TV show, but a bigger TV show. So you can say it's Wrestling Classic. Collision Korea. This was a one-time event held by WCW in Korea. That's the only wrestling event held in Korea. It was held in a cooperation of WCW and NJPW, and the main event saw Anton Inoki battling Ric Flair. You can search the whole story behind Collision Korea on YouTube. I can give the link in description. Which WPP is coming back from retirement since 2016. I mean, what? Roadblock, it happened in 17. Great Balls of Fire was, I think, in 17 or 18. This question is pretty doubtful. I'm going with Fastlane. I don't know why, but I'm going. Which of these WWE wrestlers stayed retired? JBL. Who inspired Bray Wyatt for his Eater of World gimmick? I'm sure it's not The Undertaker, or it should not be Boogeyman, not Dwayne the Clown. I think it's Waylon Mercy. Okay, so I left a question up here, right? I think it was this one, yes. Highest rated WWE tag team match of all time. Agent Christian versus Dudleys versus Hardys. Second option DIY versus Revival. Third option Jericho and Benoit versus Hardys versus Dudleys versus Agent Christian. And fourth option Mustache Mountains Undisputed Era. I think it's Mustache Mountains Undisputed Era. I don't know, I'm just going with it. So let's submit. And 13/15. Okay. I got this wrong, and Jeff Hardy, the Hardy Bros, got me wrong. So I think I did nice, 87%, but that's what I thought in the last part. And he won, but this time I will win because I'm dead. I'm totally sure that he can't answer my deadly questions. So that's it for the video, guys. I will tell you the result afterwards. And if this series goes to third part, I will do the special guest reveal. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay too sweet.
Here we go.
Do